In this tutorial, I'll show you how to take partial profit on NinjaTrader 8. By the end of this video, you'll be able to reduce a position size manually, automate partial exits with an ATM strategy, and speed up target adjustments in the Super DOM so you can secure profits efficiently. First, let's cover a manual partial exit. Open the chart trader or the Super DOM so your order controls are visible on screen. If you're on a chart, show the chart trader panel. If you're using the Super DOM, bring it to the front. Next, change the order quantity to the exact number of contracts or shares you want to close. In Chart Trader, click into the quantity box and type the number, or use the small arrows to adjust it. In the Super DOM, select the quantity in the QTY column and set it to the partial size you want to exit. Now, click the opposite side of the market to close that portion. If you're long, click Sell. If you're short, click Buy. Watch the position size update on screen to confirm the reduction. This action closes only the amount you set in the quantity box, so it reduces your open position without reversing it, as long as the quantity you submit does not exceed your current size. Next, let's set up an ATM strategy for automated partial profit targets. Before entering a trade, configure an ATM strategy with multiple targets so the platform manages partial exits for you once you're filled. Open your ATM strategy settings and create a template with more than one target. Set target 1 to a specific tick level, for example 20 ticks, and assign 50% of your planned position size to this target. Type 20 in the profit target field for target 1, and set the quantity to half of your total intended position. Adjust the number to match your trading plan if needed. Set target 2 at a further level, for example 40 ticks, for the remaining position. Enter 40 in the profit target field for target 2, and set the quantity to the rest of your planned size. Confirm both targets are visible and add your stop parameters as you normally would. When target 1 hits, the position is automatically reduced by that quantity. You'll see the filled target in the orders or positions display, and your open size will decrease accordingly. The stop loss for the remaining contracts is typically managed automatically by the ATM strategy, so you don't have to adjust it manually. At this point, you can let the strategy handle the remainder of the trade toward target 2. Finally, let's make quick adjustments easier in fast-moving markets using the Super DOM. Enable single-click order modification in the Super DOM properties so you can drag and drop profit targets or close partial positions more quickly. Right-click inside the Super DOM, open Properties, and enable single-click order modification. Apply and close the Properties window. With that setting on, you can click and drag your existing profit targets directly on the price ladder to fine-tune levels instantly. If you need to close a partial position quickly, set the desired quantity in the QTY field. Then, click on the opposite side of the market as before. Single-click modification makes these changes immediate, so move carefully and confirm your clicks to avoid unintended adjustments. To recap what you're seeing on screen. Manually, you open Chart Trader or Super DOM, set the exit quantity, and click the opposite side to reduce your size. With an ATM strategy, you predefine multiple targets. Target 1 taking 50% at a closer tick level, and Target 2 capturing the remainder farther out. So partial profits happen automatically when price reaches those levels. And with single-click order modification enabled in the Super DOM, you can drag targets and act on partial exits quickly when the market is moving fast. That's it. You've successfully learned how to take partial profit on NinjaTrader 8 using a manual partial exit, an ATM strategy with multiple targets, and faster Super DOM modifications. Everything is set up and ready to use. For more step-by-step tutorials like this, subscribe and check out the other guides available on the channel.